Hi everyone, and I am once again before you uh, through this video. And in this video, I would like to share my opinion about the current lifestyle and the current state of our daily life. So, as we know that the present situation of our daily life is not as proper as should be. That means we are not living freely and we are struggling in our life. And why we are struggling, almost everyone is aware about that. And in the recent time, we are struggling from various kind of diseases. Not only corona, but also apart from coronavirus, there are so many diseases uh, that is um, exist in the society. And on this matter, I would like to discuss, and I would like to put my opinion, and also I would like to convey my message to you. So now everyone and most of the people are talking about coronavirus. But now I would like to inform you that the coronavirus is now going to finish. It is not it is going to stop, and the cases is decreasing day by day. But it not over, and we need to be careful about that. But we should also consider that because of this coronavirus problem, not only our India but also the whole world has a immense loss of economic. The development has stopped, and the economy of all over the world uh, is uh, is in the uh, big loss. And now we need to overcome from all this difficulty. We have to manage all these things, and we have to uh, manage all these things that we lost in our uh, past past time. So not only we have the problem about to fight from all this problem, but we have to also manage all these things. And for that, we need to be very seriously active. We need to take care all these things. And the most important thing is that we need to change our lifestyle, because which kind of lifestyle and which kind of um, uh, the life is going on, it is really troubling for each and everyone. And how can we change it? Okay. First of all, it is very necessary to understand that how this problems comes on. We are looking that um, in the recent time the coronavirus has taken a big form of uh, a big form of a danger. Before that, life has the very much difficulty like other diseases. So I would like to tell you that all these natural problems, is all these natural calamities, and all these natural things, why this happens. So the only reason behind that, the behavior of a human being and the behavior of a society is not good with respect to the nature. We should be we should strictly follow the natural rule, and we should primarily our primary duty is to know the what is the natural rule and how does the natural react. That is our first duty. And but what is going on in our society? We are leaving our main job, and we are running towards the only uh, yeah, we can say uh, without any thinking or without any planning, and that's why all this problem coming on. So in that way, the most important uh, thing is that our nature should be cooperative, because nature rule says that all the natural organism, all the human beings, and all the all kind of animals are natural, and we need to be very careful. We should respect for them. That is the best way to escape from all these problems. Apart from that, we should try to avoid all these classes. We should try to avoid all these negative things, and we should go forward. And whatever we are doing, whatever uh, we are going to do, our main aim should be that to make uh, possible solution of the any of the problem. Because to give the trouble to other means what? We are you are, we are also challenging to the trouble. If we want to trouble anyone, then that comes return. So that is the thing we should understand, that whenever uh, um, we want to make unhappy to other, or we uh, we want to make others uh, bad or worst, then it comes return. That is the natural rule. So our duty should be, our main job is to be not to disturb anyone. This is the uh, right rule, that we should not we should never disturb to any other, and we should be busy in our work. So that will be the good way. But now what is going on, that the struggle in the society, struggle in this style is that we are not satisfied to each other. We are not satisfied with ourselves, and we have to disturb someone, or we have to trouble someone. So that is we should find the solution from here, that we should not need to give trouble anyone, and we should try to any whatever the problem is, whatever the thing is, that we should try to find the solution peacefully, and we should behave peacefully. And if we behave like that, then definitely whatever the problem is, definitely solution will be there, and no such kind of problem, or such kind of unexpected thing happen in our society. And we definitely uh, prevent ourselves from all these type of all these type of you can say undesirable things. So thank you. This is my opinion for in this video. Thanks.